Welcome. In front of me is a MEDION E5005, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, you want to open up settings, let's pull down the notification panel and tap on the gear icon. From here, scroll down to battery right here, and basically at the top you will see intelligent power saving stand. Not really sure what's the end of it. I think it might be standby, but that is basically the only power saving mode that you have here. You can only enable percentage and stuff like that. There's not really anything else you can do, but also the intelligent power saving is enabled by default, so you can also disable it if you like it, or maybe it might come disabled. I'm not really sure, but that's basically where you have the option for it. Now that is how you would enable or disable it, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.